Hello farmers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is August, the 8th month of the year 2021. We are moving straight to the end of the year, which is year 2021. So this is the 8th month. So we only have September, October, November, December. So have you stocked your chicken yet? Have you stocked your broiler? Have you stocked your noiler? Preparing ahead of December. This video is to remind you if you haven't done so. Be it 10, either 20, or maybe your own capacity is 50, or yours is 100, or the one your capital can raise is 200, 300, 500, or thousands. So have you stocked your chicken yet? This is December, and in December period, everybody would like to kill chicken, celebrate with their family, and do a lot of things like eat meat, you know. And the best meat we use in this very season is the chicken. That is what they eat most in December season. So have you stocked yours? Maybe you are not doing this business before, like you don't stock um chicken before, or maybe you are doing that and you've probably forgotten that you have to stock. This is the right time to stock and prepare ahead of December. Remember, you only have 4 months left, and 4 months is enough for you to stock your broiler to the selling point. That is, when it comes to December, your broiler will be big enough for sales. At least they are going to have, even if they don't have up to 4 kg, they are going to have between 2.5 to 3 kg weight. This is another way to make money in livestock business. If you are in Nigeria, don't sleep behind while others are making preparation. I know a lot of people who have done this, like keep their broiler, stock their noiler, maybe cockerel or anyone, although I don't advise the one of cockerel because it doesn't have sales much, and it's not that profitable. So I have a lot of people who have done this. So this is just to remind you. It's a reminder that if you haven't done so, kindly go and do that. At your own community, you may be the only one that is doing this kind of thing, and you are going to make money. Business have to do with target. So if you don't have a target, there's no how you are going to make money in this farming business, most especially the livestock business. So you are going to target during the festival, what do people need during this season, what are they going to buy, what would they need. So you have to get that target. If you don't have that target, there's no how you are going to make money. So this is the right time. In case you are waiting for maybe September or the one of October before you do so, no, don't. This is the right time to stock your broiler. I advise broiler and noiler. This two breed will give you a good result. Like, they will fetch you good money and you are going to make profits if you stock them. After watching this video, don't stay behind. Just look for a place and stock. If your ability can stock the one of maybe 50, do that. If your ability can stock the one of 30, do that. You don't need to have a pen like this. You don't need to have a cage, maybe a house, whatever you call it. You don't need to have it like this. Look, you can get something like this. If it is covered, you can get something like this. Just do a door, cover it up. Do a door, cover it up. If you cover it up, you put dust inside, then you stock your chicken. They are going to do well. You feed and feed and feed and feed. They are going to be okay. And if you want to sell, like, how much will you sell your chicken to make money? So it is very simple. What I do tell people, because I still have a calculation, you can check the video at the end of this video to see how much you can sell your chicken. You do it in such a way that it will profit you and also profit your customers. So that is just the best way, or else you will be seeing other people selling and yours will just be left behind because your market is too costly. So you think about your own capital. After you get your capital, then add your own profit in such a way that it will be convenient for you and your customer. Never waste time. Don't think maybe it's next month or even next month is here. The time is fast running, so next month is here already. So kindly stock your chicken and start feeding them, treat them well, give them the necessary medication they needed, and feed them very well till December period. I'm very sure you will come back to testify that yes, you made a lot of money out of the business. So like I told you, stock only noiler and broiler. You are going to get money and profit doing that.